Hello everyone, welcome back to Collegedunia's YouTube channel. So as you all know that CAT 2025 registration has started. So here is a quick step-by-step video on how to register for CAT 2025. So first of all, you need to visit the CAT official website, which is imcat.ac.in. So when you visit the website, you can see the important dates as the starting date is August 1 and the last date to register for CAT 2025 is 13th of September 2025. So for new candidates, you need to click on the register button. So you will be redirected to the registration page. So once you are here, you need to fill your personal details like your name, your date of birth, your email ID and your mobile number. So please fill out these details very carefully as you will be receiving a one-time password on both your mobile number and your email address. And these details will be always used for further communication. So please fill out these details carefully. Now after filling your details, you need to click on generate OTP button. And then you need to fill out the CAPTCHA shown on your screen. Once you fill the CAPTCHA, click on submit again. Then you will receive an OTP on your mobile and your email address. So first click the enter OTP section and then enter the OTP received on your mobile and then click on validate OTP. Then repeat the same process for OTP received on your email and click validate OTP. Once you have entered the OTP, a declaration will appear. You need to click on the I agree button, then enter the CAPTCHA shown in the image. Then all the personal details you have entered will be shown. You need to verify the details one by one and click on the tick box provided on the right side. Then after verifying all the details, click on the confirmation button. So now your registration is successfully completed and on the left side you can see your user ID. You can take a screenshot for future reference. Also, you must have received an email mentioning your user ID and your password. So keep that handy. Now to continue to your application, click on the Go to Application button shown on the top right corner. Now here is the complete registration form. So first of all, you need to enter your personal details like your first name, your last name, your father's name, your mother's name, and then some other personal details like your date of birth, your gender, your nationality. And then comes the category section, which is very important. So if you belong to the general category, you can just select general. But if you belong to some other categories like OBC, SC or ST, then you need to fill out some additional details like the issue date of your certificate, the state or union territory from which you belong. Then an important detail is the serial or entry number of your caste. So to know on how to fill out the serial number of the caste, there is an information icon on the left hand side. So you need to click on that and then you will be redirected to the official government website. There, as shown on the screen, a list of states will be shown. So first of all, you need to click on your state. Then when you click on your state, a list of all the castes belonging in that category in that state will be shown. So you need to note the serial number of the caste. So suppose here in this case the serial number is 3. So you just need to enter 3 in the serial number or entry asked in the registration form. Now if you belong to PWD category, that is persons with disability, you need to click on yes, otherwise no. Then in the next section, you need to enter your full communication address. So first you need to enter your house number, then your street number, then your locality, then comes country, state, district, and then your PIN code. So please enter these details very carefully. After entering your communication address, if your present address is also same, so you need to click on yes, or otherwise you can fill out your permanent address. Then comes the emergency contact details section. So here you need to enter the mobile number of some emergency contact and your relationship with them. Then next is the document section. So here you need to upload the documents. So in the notes section, it is advised that scanning of a photograph or signature is not allowed. So in the notes section, it is clearly written that please don't use mobile or other devices to scan the photographs and documents. Please get your photographs and other documents properly scanned using a scanner and then upload. And here is a section for photo specification and sample photos. So you can click on the click here button and a PDF will open. So as seen in the PDF, just put a white background on your photograph and don't look here and there, and avoid spectacles in your photo. So these are some basic guidelines, and for detail you can always see the PDF attached. So now let's come back to the uploading section. So here in this case, you need to upload your photograph, your signature and your category certificate. So for photograph, there is a restriction that your photograph should have a size of 1200 pixels by 1200 pixels. So by clicking on the click here to upload, select your photograph from your computer, then click on upload, and repeat the same procedure for signature and your category certificate as well. So after you have uploaded all the three documents, just click on save and next. Now you will reach the academic section. So here in academics section, you'll need to enter the educational details of class 10th, 12th and your graduation. So for class 10th and 12th, you need to enter your board name, your month and year of completion, and the marks you achieved. So your percentage will automatically get calculated. Similarly, repeat the process for class 12th. Then comes the first bachelor's degree details, that is graduation details. So you need to enter the name of your university, name of your institution, your degree name, the duration of your course. So after entering all these details, there is one more subsection related to graduation, wherein you need to add the discipline of your degree, the stream of your graduation, the month and year of the course commencement, that is when your course was started and when it got completed, and the marks awarded to you by your university. And here in this case, for example, if you are still pursuing your bachelor's degree, so there is an option, are you in the final year of your bachelor's degree? So you can always take the yes option if you have still not completed your bachelor's. Then there are some additional details regarding your degree. So it has been asked that are you undergoing a dual or 5-year integrated course? So you can choose accordingly from yes and no. Then you have some additional details, like if you want to enter your master's degree details, then you can do that as well. Then there is a section for professional degree details. So if you are a fellow of FIAI, then you can always select yes or no, and same for CACS also. And after filling out these academic details, you need to click on save and next. Then comes the work experience section. So herein you will need to enter your work experiences if you have any. It's not a mandatory section. If you have some work experience, you can enter, or otherwise you can skip this section. So your experience will be counted as on July 31st of 2025. So your experience after that will not be calculated. So here in the example, our candidate started his experience from 3rd of June 2024 and it is calculated up to 31st of July 2025. So you need to enter the name of your organization wherein you worked, the designation, your start date and your end date. And the experience which is counted in days will be automatically calculated. So if you have multiple experiences, that is if you have worked at multiple organizations, you can always click on the add new row option and add multiple work experiences. So after filling out the experience section, you need to click on the save and next button again. Then comes the program section. So this is a very important section. Herein you need to select the colleges and the programs which you want to apply after your CAT result is allowed. So suppose if you want to apply for IIM Ahmedabad PGP course, so you need to select that, and on the right hand side you have the interview city. So you'll need to select the preference 1 and 2 for the interview to get admission into IIM Ahmedabad PGP course. So similarly, when you scroll down, you will see a list of various colleges and their programs being offered after the CAT result. So you need to select in which you want to get admission and the interview city. So after filling out these details, again you need to click on the save and next button. Then you will be redirected to the test city section. So here in this section, You need to fill your 5 preferred cities wherein you would want to appear for the CAT examination on 30th of November 2025. So please fill out these cities very carefully, and if possible please choose your nearest city. Then after filling them, again click on save and next. Then here comes the final section, which is the declaration sections. So herein you need to read out the application form and complete the fee payment for CAT 2025. So here on the screen there are some charges. So there are some convenience charges depending on the payment mode or method you choose for fee payment for CAT 2025. So like if you use UPI or debit cards, there are no charges, and in case you use credit cards or other methods like net banking, so there are some charges as shown on your screen. Then you need to select your payment mode and click on I agree for the declaration and enter the captcha shown in the image. Then before clicking on submit button, you need to preview your application. So when you click on preview button, your complete details that you fill out while filling the application form will be shown. Just go through the preview and verify each and every detail if they are correct or not. Then click on OK and click on submit button. So when you click on submit button, you will be redirected to the payment gateway, wherein you need to select your payment mode and enter the credential for a payment. So herein, when the password is entered, click on confirm payment, and when your payment gets completed, you will get a message saying your application has been submitted successfully, your payment is successful. So herein your application has been submitted successfully and your registration is successful. Now you can always keep a printout of this application form by clicking on the print button on the top right corner, and you will also be receiving a copy of this application form on your email address mentioned while filling the application form. So that's all for CAT 2025 registration video. I hope it was clear. If you have any queries or doubts regarding the registration form, you can always comment down your queries in the comment section of this video. We are always available for help. So that's all. Thanks a lot.